Hello, welcome back to Twist Fashion DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a 3D pen. So this one I bought comes in this box, and what you get inside is obviously a manual, the pen, the wire to plug it in. So this bit goes in the back here. There we go. And a load of filament. So that comes with a USB plug, which I'm just going to plug in here. So your lamp will go red. Notice how the screen says PLA. That's what I'm using. Otherwise, if you're using the AB5 or whatever it's called, ABS, sorry, select that one, but I'm using the PLA. Then you're going to press the load filament button, which is this one, and that lights come on, and that's heating it up now. So when the lamp is green, you can start loading your filament by pressing this front button and holding it down. There we go. So that will stop, and then you can start by pressing it again. I need to turn the speed down, but so now just keep pressing it down. And you can create all sorts of things. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.